What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. Today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy S23 because it will be the first phone with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button on your way in or out, or even during the video. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button, is definitely appreciated. The first 2023 Galaxy Unpacked event has not happened yet, but sources and leaks are reporting that Samsung will be the first to premiere and apply the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 to their S23 phone lineup. So we're on notebookcheck.net and they have an article basically spilling the beans. Now the first part of this article says Samsung has yet to formally unveil its first flagship smartphones of 2023. Nevertheless, Corning, which is their source, has just gone ahead and revealed that they will launch as the world's first devices with the second gen Gorilla Glass Victus, or called Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It also says the new flagship product for the mobile device protection is touted, fancy word, as better optimized for drops onto surfaces such as rough concrete compared to its first gen predecessor. The article also states that the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 will contain an average of 22% pre-consumer recycled content. Basically, they're using old parts. So what does that mean for the new series of phones? The screens of the phone should be able to withstand, like they said, rough concrete drops and more blunt objects landing on the screen. Now, what does that mean for the consumers? You still will have to purchase a case for the phone, but you might not have to utilize a tempered glass screen protector. And I emphasize on the might because all phones still are subject to breaking in some capacity. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I want to keep this video short and sweet. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.